In this quick tutorial, I show you how to link and unlink materials in Blender so you can copy your materials to another object. So I got this object over here. I modeled this myself and I texture it with Ucupaint. So I'm gonna explain this how to do this in Ucupaint as well. But I just show you straight away how it works. So you select the non-textured object. This one have no data, and I hold Shift and click on another object and click on the keyboard, Ctrl L, and then link materials. And as you can see, they got both the same materials. But if I go back with Ctrl Z, so we got two objects over here with no data. So if we select them both and then click the last one and then clicking Ctrl L and link materials, they have all the same materials. If I go back, now I want to show you something else. If I select this object and I link it again with Ctrl L, linked object, and if you look to the right, you see the number 2. That means this texture is sharing with two objects. If I go back and I select those two and there's one, and I link those two, you see the number 3. So basically we got 3 objects sharing the same data. So if I go with N to the panel and I gonna change, for example, something over here, you see they all changing. If you want, for example, this monitor is not sharing the same data as this monitor, you can just click on this number. If you look to the right, the number is disappearing. That means he's not sharing the same data anymore. And if I click on this one, you see 2 is left. So those 2 are sharing the same data and this one not anymore. If you use Ucupaint, you can click on Fix Multi-User Ucupaint Node. And if you click OK, you can just change over here all the things. So if I like to change something like this, so you can see they are not sharing the same materials anymore. I got those 2 cubes, right? And if I click on one cube and click New Material and I give it a red color, right? And if I click on the object with no materials and clicking with Shift left mouse button and then Ctrl L, link materials, they got the same materials. So if I click on the red and change it to blue example, they will change to blue. But if you don't want the second cube to be blue anymore, you can do this by clicking on the number 2. If you click it, the number is disappearing, and when you change the color to example green, and this one, and as you can see, this one will be green and this one stays blue. Did I help you with this video? Consider liking and subscribing on my channel. This is helping me growing here on YouTube so I can make more videos about Ucupaint and texturing. For now, I want to say thank you for watching and I see you next time.